Have you ever wondered how people create those clean and professional looking graphics right from their phone? Well, one of the most popular apps for that is Pixellab. In this video, I will introduce you to Pixellab and walk you through some of its main menus and tools so you can get familiar with the app and understand the usage and position of every tool. Hi, my name is Felix. Let's get you started. So, the moment you open your Pixellab app, the first thing that will display is an empty canvas. An empty canvas, that's the default canvas from Pixellab itself, probably with a default text as well. So see this as your workspace. It like a digital paper where all your designs will be created. So let me take you through the menus that we have below here. So here, which is my project. So here you can check the list of projects you have done before that you saved on Pixellab. Just in case you want to edit anything again, this is where you can see your previous projects. So this is where you can see your previous projects. Then this is the test tool. So this is the test tool. This is the shape tool. This is the shape tool. You can create any shape here. You can add sticker, you can import, you can draw, you can add shapes, you can use the bezier tool, you can add arrow. So this one is the import tool. So this is where you can change the color of your background. You can check the color of your background. You can make the background to be transparent. You can adjust the size of the image. You can pick your image from your gallery or from your camera. And this is the background effect tool. So you can use this to add any effect you desire to the background. So going up here, you have this plus sign. Some of the things you have below here are also available up here. You can add your text here as well. You can add the current date. You can add your text, as you can see. You can add your text. Let's put something there. You can add your text. You can add anything. Happiness. So you can add your text. You can add the current date, as you can see. You can add the current date. You can add sticker. There are several stickers there that you can add if you want to use in your design. There are various stickers depending on what you are intending to achieve. You can add your emojis. So at the same time, you can also add shapes. Just like you can add shapes from the shape tool here, you can also add shapes from here. You can add shapes, sorry. You can add shapes from here. You can pick any shapes you desire and add it and use it in your design. So also you can draw. You can draw. If you are planning to draw anything, you want to use your hand as freehand sketching on Photoshop. So you can draw, you can adjust other things there. I'll be showing you all these things in the next video. Full details about the tools in the next video. So another submenu that we have here is this. So here you can save your design as project. Saving as project simply means you want to save it on Pixellab as PLP file in such a way that if you are intending to re-edit your project again, you can go back there and re-edit, do whatever it is that you want to do, and you can save as image. You can save as project. You write your project name, then you can save as image. That is, you want it to be on your device so that you can share through Facebook, you can share through WhatsApp and share to your friends. You can share to your clients and do other editing. So I will explain this later. So also this is the share button now. You can share directly from here to any of your social media handles. So here you have some motivations and some words that you can use. Maybe you want to include like a motivation in one of your designs. There are words on motivation, success, friendship, happiness, inspiration, positivity, and absurd. So there are different words. On motivation there are different words. So on success there are different words. On our friendship and the likes. So you can pick quotes from here that you can use in your designs, and they are available in both English and French. As you can see, they are available in both English and French. So the next thing you have here is this three dots. So some of the other things you can do from the menu below, you have them here as well. You can use image from gallery. You can put it on full screen. As you can see, you can put it on full screen. So you can use image from camera. You can export image size, and other things there. So this button you are seeing here stands for undo. So maybe you are designing and you want to undo what you have designed. As you can see, you can undo. So this plus sign here is for you to increase the size of what you are designing. Yeah, so it's for you to increase the size. You want to enlarge what you are doing. So that's what it is. Maybe you want to check the details very well. You want to check every details clearly and be sure you are not making any mistake. You can use this to enlarge. You can use this to enlarge. And this tool right here is your ruler tool. This is mostly used for alignment, maybe left alignment, center alignment, to check for how properly aligned your elements in the design are. And this is where all your designs will be listed, all the layers. Yeah, this is where all the layers of your design would be. All the layers, all the elements that you have used, this is where they will be. So you can choose to arrange them. You can choose to set one to the front, set one to the back. You can do all those things here. So this is lock. The first thing you are seeing here is lock. So if you are not locking, you can edit them here. So apart from that, you can make it invisible and you can delete as well. So those are the main menus that you have on Pixellab. So those are the main menus that you have on Pixellab. So in our next video, I'll be showing you the full details of each of the tools, under those menus, each of the tools, and the usage of each of those tools. So please like, subscribe, and drop a comment so you can have access to more videos like this, so that more videos like this can come to your feed. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.